Hey friends, welcome back to CT Academy. AI is doing some amazing things, helping us build apps, translate languages, and even drive cars. But just like with any powerful tool, we need to think about the ethics. What's right, what's fair, and what could go wrong. So let's break down some of the big ethical concerns in AI with real-world examples. 1. Bias, unfairness, and discrimination. AI learns from data. If that data has bias, the AI will too. Example? An AI used for hiring might favor one gender or race over another just because of patterns in the training data. That's unfair and dangerous. We need to make sure AI treats everyone equally. 2. Data privacy and protection. AI often needs lots of personal data to work well, like your location, photos, or voice. But who's protecting that data? Imagine a health app using your info without asking. That's a major privacy problem. 3. Impact on jobs and the economy. AI can do tasks faster than humans, which is great for businesses. But what happens to the people whose jobs are replaced? For example, if AI handles customer service, what happens to the human workers? We need smart plans to support people as tech changes the job market. 4. Autonomous weapons. These are weapons that can decide on their own when to attack, with little or no human input. Now imagine AI making life or death decisions in war. Scary, right? That's why many experts are calling for strict global rules. 5. Self-driving cars and who's responsible. If an autonomous car causes an accident, who's to blame? The driver, the car company, the AI? We need clear laws and liability frameworks so people know who's accountable when things go wrong. So, to sum it up, AI is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. We must think carefully about how it's used and always ask, is it fair? Is it safe? Who's affected? Want to explore more about the world of AI and how we can build it ethically? Visit ctglobal.my.